The area behind me is looking a little bit bare. It would be great if I had a pergola there. Something like this. So I always knew that I wanted to have an area close to the house where I could sit and eat and invite friends to come over. And the ideal would be to have that area covered. So I came up with a design for a pergola. So the final result has changed a little bit since when I first drew this, mainly because the price of wood is so expensive. But I'm really happy with the result. A friend of mine, he's a carpenter, and he came along with a couple of pals, and over the course of a day, they installed the pergola. I'm really pleased with the result, especially how bulky and substantial it feels. You've got these big oak posts linked together with these rusty steel bars. And it really accentuates the planting, especially the big leaves of this Paulonia here. I planted a grapevine here, and the idea is that it will eventually grow to cover the entire pergola. And there's another one on the other side. This one's a white variety, and that one's a red variety. And eventually, I've got visions of sitting under here, dining out, a glass of wine, reaching up and picking the odd grape to go with my meal. That's the idea anyway. We'll see if mid-Wales is the right place to be growing fresh grapes. On the post for the pergola here, I've put a pot with this wonderful geranium in, and it's already giving the whole place a bit of a Mediterranean feel. That's it for today's update on how we're developing the little mansion garden. There's still an awful lot to do, so keep an eye on the channel for more regular updates. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now. Before I go, if you haven't subscribed yet, click below, and also check out these other videos.